This is a simple job in 8 easy steps. 1. Adjust the rollers to lower the door. 2. Lift out the door. 3. Take out the securing screws. 4. Detach the bottom frame. 5. Change the rollers. 6. Refit the bottom rail. 7. Lift the door back in place. 8. Adjust the door height. Inside here is this roller bearing, and that glides the door up and down. There are 2 screw holes. The bottom one gives access to this screw, and this screw moves the roller up and down. Screw it in and the roller comes down, screw it out and the roller goes up. So before you do anything else, you must turn the screw anti-clockwise to bring the roller right up so that the door can lift over this edge here. The top screw holds the lower bar in place, and so you don't touch that until you've got the door out. The door is quite heavy and it's best if 2 people lift it together. At the top it just fits between 2 guides, so all you have to do is lift the door and bring the bottom over the runners and into the room. With the door laid flat, you can undo the 2 securing screws that hold the lower part of the frame and slide this out. It may need a bit of persuasion with a soft mallet to break the rubber seal with the glass. The 2 runners can now be swapped over. They simply pull out. To get the new ones in, you may need to squash them with your fingers. Clean up the rubber seal that fits onto the glass, and before sliding the lower panel back on, apply a bit of washing up liquid to help it snap into place. Lift the door back into place and adjust the runners to give the correct height. If you want to bring the door up, you'll need to lift it with your hand because it's so heavy it'll be difficult to turn the screw without. See the gap there now? I've screwed it up, and now to lower it down is easier. I bought my replacement rollers from Best Team Marketing on the outskirts of Kuala Lumpur. I can't recommend them highly enough. They supplied me with 4 runners at a total cost of just over 5 Malaysian ringgit. My credit card calculated that to be 91 pence in the UK. You'd be lucky to buy a bar of chocolate for that. Thank you for watching. I've got lots of DIY videos on YouTube. Please subscribe and see some others.